Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transcribe your audio for caption or subtitle. So for you to do that, you have to come up here and click on this option, create a design. Then you click on logo. Once you click on logo, this page is going to come up. Then from there you click on apps. Then use the search bar and search for transcribe. Then you search. And this is it, transcribe audio. Then you click on it. And from here you upload a file from your storage, from your PC storage, and you make sure the file you are about to upload is in MP3 or MP4. Then you make sure it is less than 4.5 MB and it must not be sung. You understand? Then after that, then you click on the font, then you transcribe your audio. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.